Join me, let's learn some 10 important cooking tools and their functions. Knife.
It's used for cutting food.
Cutting board.
It's a surface used for cutting things.
Pan.
It is used for frying.
Pot.
It is used for boiling.
Spatula.
It is used for flipping food.
Ladle.
It is used for serving soup.
Whisk.
It is used for mixing quickly.
Tongs.
It is used for picking hot food.
Peeler.
It is used for removing skin.
Grater.
It is used for shredding food.
Which of these cooking tools do you use at home?
Drop your answer in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe for more English tips.